Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are gonna learn Twitter guide for beginners. How to use Twitter. This is just for beginners. If you're trying to look for an advanced tool, this is not the video for you. But if you don't know how to use Twitter at all, you are in the right video. So you must to open your Twitter, you must to create an account, and once you have opened your Twitter, this is gonna be your home page. Okay, so here you're gonna find a lot of tweets. These messages in Twitter are called tweets, and in that way you're gonna be able to watch a lot of data. In each tweet you have different options. The first of it, here in the airplane at the bottom of this photo, I have the comments with the number 316. So if I tap there, I'm gonna be able to make a reply on this tweet. Also, the second option is to retweet this. So in that way, this is gonna be shared within my profile or kinda. The third is to give a like. And the fourth option is to know the views, okay? Times this tweet was seen. By now I'm going to dismiss this. This is the home page and all the tweets. So on top of your home page, you're gonna find to the left your profile picture, in my case this blurred photo, and there you're gonna have different options to go into your profile, Twitter Blue, topics, bookmarks, and so on. So basically what you must do is like try to search and look for these settings if you need it. By now, because this is Twitter for beginners, I'm not gonna explain any of this. Also, if you open the tweet, making tap on top of the text, you're gonna be able to have another option. Next to the like, I can save this tweet and also share this tweet through another social media or copy the link, okay? That's another option. As you can see here, we can't save that tweet. Okay, now at the bottom of your screen, you have different options, different pages. This is the home page, but this is the search page. So you can tap on the bar and search whatever do you want. Or also, there are gonna be some recommendations for you. It could be also trending, news, sports, and so on. It depends. Now, the next menu at the bottom are the directs. So the live people who is streaming through Twitter, you can go into any of these live sessions and that's it. That's the third page. The fourth page are your notifications. So what you can do is look for the replies of your different tweets or some other interactions that you're having here in Twitter. And the last option are the messages, is your inbox. So you can chat here with your friends as well. And that's it. Those are the different pages on Twitter. That's how you can comment or create something or give a like. Oh, and also, before I forget, at the bottom of this screen there is an adding symbol with a blue background. So if you tap there, you're gonna be able to create a tweet, post a GIF, some photos, or spaces. So here if I tap on tweet, you're gonna create your own tweet, okay? That's really important. And that's it. This was Twitter for beginners.